Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me how to draw, take away one line from a box. So if you draw a rectangle, how would you delete one line? So I thought I'd go ahead and I could have answered it via the email, but it's kind of fun to make a video, and so I thought I'd add to a little bit. You need to take that object and convert it to a curve, for it was a rectangle. Then you can take your shape tool and select those two nodes, right-click your mouse and break it apart. Now you can take your virtual segment delete. You can take this and move it out of the way and then delete it. Or you can just take your virtual segment delete key and just wipe through it. So I thought this is a 5 by 5, was a rectangle. So I'm going to change my nudge factor to half that, 2.5. And I thought this is what I'd add to it. Select that node and make sure it's filled in, then use your right arrow key. Select that node, use your left arrow key. Now you've made a triangle and they're basically joined. Two ways you could join it and make it complete is one, you could smart fill it, which is the way I would do it because it's going to be quick and easy, and then you left click, right click, and you have a complete join lines, and you can see that the lines are joined. Where these aren't really joined yet, or you can take your shape tool, select those two nodes, go up to Windows, Dockers, and join curves. I've got mine set on a 0.1 gap tolerance, which is pretty big, and now this is one line. Just like with the Smart Fill tool. Sometimes I think the Smart Fill tool is just faster because you don't have to open up a Docker. Now, if you do this a lot, you can make a hotkey to have that pop up. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.